Hey everyone, so we are back to do a withdrawal on TronArk. And as you know, if you've been following our journey with TronArk, the plan is to recoup the initial investment and then either go to a 50-50 withdrawal redeposit strategy or 90-10. So withdraw and then redeposit 90 and keep 10%. And just to recap for those of you that are just joining us, the ROI for this smart contract is up to 7.5% ROI. So I believe it started at 1.5, but based on the volume, it has gotten up to 7.5%. So right now they have a total of 21,423,436 TRX, and they have over 1,700 investors, and they've paid out over 8 million TRX so far. So this is looking like really great. Right now it's appears to be really stable, and this is something that you should try out if you have the currency or money to invest right now. So let's go. We're going to withdraw 759.46 TRX. We're just going to make sure it went into the wallet. Yes, it did. And also, every time that you do a transaction, you can go and see what's going on in the wallet there. So yeah, so looks pretty good. We'll be back tomorrow, and we're going to follow the journey all the way up to we recoup our investment. And then we'll do every other day of showing you the withdrawal and redeposit process. See you tomorrow.